Welcome back everyone. Today we're reviewing WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free open source plugin that transforms WordPress sites into full-fledged online stores. As part of the Automatic family, it powers millions of e-commerce sites and offers deep integration with WordPress's CMS features. Ideal for merchants seeking customization and control, it's a favorite for those ready to manage hosting and technical upkeep themselves. You can customize everything from the site layout to checkout flow using PHP, CSS, and HTML. Free plugin, just cover hosting, domain, SSL, and any selected extensions. It leverages WordPress's powerful SEO, plugin, and CMS tools for content storefronts. Also supports major gateways like Stripe, PayPal, Apple, or Google Play. And it has over 5 million active installs, extensive forums, guides, plus expert agencies for hire. So you get zero plugin cost, highly customizable, excellent SEO, extensive payment options, and large user and developer support network. With that, although there are some downsides, WordPress-only platform won't work elsewhere. Also, technical setup and maintenance required, plugins may conflict, and poor performance if not optimized, backend slow with many products or plugins. There are also hidden costs from essential extensions, premium themes and support, and no official support, rely on community or paid developers. So WooCommerce stands out for its unmatched customization, content integration and cost control, perfect for WordPress-savvy users and developers building tailored e-commerce experiences. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.